in Microsoft Excel how we can sum the data that has errors also. Let's say for this list we want to sum. If let's say we use simple sum function, you will see that it will show us error because in this list we have errors. So we have been used sum function, we have been used enter. So you can see this gives us error. So how we can resolve this problem, or how we can sum up this list that also has errors? For this, we can use aggregate function. We will use equal sign aggregate function. In aggregate function, what we want to do, as we want to sum this list, we will select this ninth number, that is sum. Then again, comma, the next, what we want to do, we want to ignore errors from this list. So what we will do, we will see here, where is ignore errors? You can see ignore errors is here. We will click on this. So again, comma, now we will select the list that we want to sum. So we have been selected this list, close parenthesis, enter, and here we go. We have been bought some of this list that also has errors.